Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blick, and in today's video we are going to be doing a soft makeup look. In this video I'm going to be using most products from MB Cosmetics. I've worked for them for a while and I can't wait to share some of their products with you guys. So let me know in the comment section if you've tried any of their products. The next step is I'm going to use my MB Cosmetic concealer just to put a bit of it on my... And remember, we are going for an everyday look, simple everyday look, so I'm not going to do too much. We are going for something subtle, something eyelids are so like they have that full coverage type of look. So I'm just going to apply a bit of eyeshadow. I'm going to use this compact powder from MB Cosmetics. Use a fluffy brush for this process. I'm not going to apply any false lashes, so I'm going to use this mascara from MB Cosmetics Amsterdam. Basically for this video I'm using most products from MB Cosmetics, and I've worked with this brand for quite a while. That's why most products I'm using at the moment are from their brand, and you can kindly check them out on their Instagram, MB Cosmetics Amsterdam. They have a branch here in Uganda. But most times on a daily basis, something I like don't move out of the house without doing is applying mascara. I feel like when I apply, like my eyes are more awake. Next step is we are going to go in with our face, and for that I'm going to first moisturize my face. Serum from Belazuri. That's really key. So if you're wondering, I'm looking this side because that's where the mirror is. Guys, I have a series coming up. I'm going to be doing different things for this channel. I just feel like I'm in this era of trying different things and different topics I feel like I'm comfortable talking about. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to use a face fluid, and these two work together. You can't use like the serum without the face fluid, which works as a moisturizer. It's also from Belazuri and it's matte. Foundation from MAC. Apply my foundation using a brush. I'm going to use this brush that is angled. I use a brush, my makeup is more full coverage. So you cannot tell the difference from this side to this. I'm going to go in with my concealer, still from MB Cosmetics full type. I'm going to blend out my concealer, but before that I'm going to set my face with a setting spray. I'm going to go in with this tone press powder, just set my face where I just applied my concealer. And to do that I'm going to use a powder puff. just set my face without setting. Just to give my face just a little bit of structure, I'm going to use this compact powder from MB Cosmetics. I'm going to use this palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to just take a shiny shimmery shade just for that corner. Use this black liner just for my waterline. With some mascara from MB Cosmetics, high low lashes. Use this setting spray from MB Cosmetics. Until the last step of this look, I'm going to go in with my lip combo, and I'm going to use a brown lip liner. So I'm going to use this lipstick. Using this lip gloss from Nylene. I'm going to use this gloss from MB Cosmetics. It's a lip gloss and it's in the shade Soda. We've come to the end of our video on how I achieved this look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget, I have a new series coming up and I'm so excited to share what I have in stock on that series, and it's going to be called Polished Series. So see you now next week.